I didn't choose to be here and you didn't choose to be here. The bottom line is you were chosen. You were chosen. So you got to ask yourself the question, if I didn't show up at this particular time and place, what would the world miss? You please make a difference. Will you? When are you going to place your fingerprints on life and prove you were here? Somebody said it couldn't be done, but he with a chuckle replied that maybe it couldn't, but he would be one who wouldn't say till he tried. So he buckled right in with a trace of a grin on his face. If he worried he hit it, he started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it. Somebody scoffed, you'll never do that. At least no one ever has done it. But he took off his coat and he took off his hat, and the first thing we know, he begun it. With a lift of his chin and a bit of a grin without any doubting or quitting. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it. There are thousands that tell you cannot be done. There are thousands of prophecy failure. There are thousands ready to point out to you one by one the dangers that wait till assail you. But with a lift of your chin and a bit of your grin, you just take off your coat and go to it. You starting to sing as you tackle the thing. You heard me say it before. Spit in his face, he becomes Marcus Garvey. Slam the school door in her face, she becomes Mary McLeod Bethune. Write him off as another fatherless black male, becomes Ben Carson, make him shine your shoes, I'll show you James Brown. Disobey his orders, he becomes Colin Powell. Blind him, becomes Stevie Wonder. Rape her, she becomes Maya Angelou. Put him in a prison cell, throw away the key. You got two choices. You got Nelson Mandela, you got Malcolm X. Deny her adequate startup capital. I'll show you Oprah Winfrey. And tell that individual, man, we're going to have an empowerment series, man. You need to be here, come here. Man, there's going to be speakers all across the country to go ahead, not only inspire you, not only lift you up, but to show you, damn it, how to connect these dots, because your creator did not create scarcity, lack, poverty, inconvenience. And adios.